Budget 5G phones are heating up the market, and Lava has just thrown in a serious contender, the Blaze Dragon 5G. At just 9,999 rupees, it promises smooth performance, 5G connectivity, and a clean Android experience. But is this the budget beast you've been waiting for? Let's dive in. So, Lava has officially launched its latest budget 5G smartphone in India, the Blaze Dragon 5G. After teasing us for days, the company finally revealed everything: the price, features, availability, and even launch offers. At 9,999 rupees, you're getting a single variant, 4GB RAM with 128GB storage. Plus, if you exchange your old phone, there's an additional Rs $1,000 discount on Amazon starting August 1st. Not bad for those upgrading from older 4G devices. Design-wise, it's simple yet modern. You can choose between two colors, Golden Mist and Midnight Mist, both giving the phone a premium look despite its budget price tag. Clearly, Lava is targeting first-time 5G users who want solid features without breaking the bank. Now, the display is a 6.74-inch HD Plus LCD panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. That's actually impressive at this price. You also get brightness levels above 450 nits, which should be enough for most outdoor conditions. Under the hood, there's Qualcomm's Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset built on a 4nm process. You're getting two high-performance cores clocked at 2.2 GHz, 6 efficiency cores at 2 GHz, and an Adreno 613 GPU for handling graphics. That combination should easily handle everyday tasks, streaming, and even light gaming. Powering it all is a massive 5,000 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging support. Expect it to last a full day for most users. And the software? Stock Android 15. No unnecessary bloatware, no ads, just a clean and smooth experience. Something rare in the budget segment. Storage-wise, there's 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage for faster read and write speeds, plus a microSD slot for expansion. You also get 4GB RAM with the option to add 4GB of virtual RAM if needed. Now, cameras. On the back, you have a 50-megapixel main sensor with LED flash. On the front, there's an 8-megapixel shooter for selfies, video calls, and face unlock. Other useful features: a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, dual SIM slots, 3.5mm headphone jack, FM radio, USB Type-C port, and connectivity options like 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, and GPS with GLONASS. For under 10,000 rupees, the Lava Blaze Dragon 5G checks quite a few boxes: 5G, 120Hz display, stock Android, big battery, and decent cameras. If you're enjoying this breakdown and want more honest tech updates, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Two Phone Gyan for more such content. That's all about the Lava Blaze Dragon 5G. Do you think this is the best budget 5G phone right now? Let me know in the comments. And stay tuned, because in the next video, we're comparing it directly with the Poco M6 Pro 5G to see which one deserves your money.